three different strategic approaches are available to overcome the problems and challenges which I have listed earlier. First is to provide a dominant role for government in strategic design and implementation of agricultural development program with relatively small role for private sector. This is one approach one can take. The second approach is to stimulate agriculture growth through a well-functioning free market such as the one prevailing in the most advanced countries in the world. The third approach basically advocates a middle path involving a carefully designed government policy interventions aimed mainly at promoting agricultural development using private sector as the key instrument. In other words, this middle path which I have highlighted does not leave agricultural development either to direct government intervention or to the private sector alone, but attempts to combine the advantages of active government policy intervention and at the same time private sector participation. So at this stage of India's economic development, I would advocate the middle path for India due to the following reasons. First, due to the institutional and budgetary constraints, the government on its own cannot solve all the problems facing the farmers and improve their livelihoods. The point here is that government has its limit as an institution. Second, the government need not always be the only entity which could help the farmers. That means the private sector can play a very important role for solving the problems and challenges facing agriculture sector and farmers in particular. Therefore, the private sector needs to be provided a space to develop the agriculture sector. And the third reason is that from India's experience with economic liberalization policies during the last 3 decades, it is quite evident that private sector can solve many of our day-to-day economic problems. Also, our confidence in the capacity of the private sector in solving our economic problems has increased manifold over the last 30 years. Yet, when it comes to developing agriculture sector, we are still skeptical and debating on the role of private sector or the role the private sector can play in the development of the sector. In my view, our skepticism about the role or intention or capacity of the private sector in developing India's agriculture sector and helping Indian farmers should end, because there is no point in looking at the private sector with suspicion or with our own doubts. The potential role the private sector could play to improve the agrarian situation in India and improve the livelihood of Indian farmers should not be restrained through government policies. Instead, they should be facilitated, that is, the role of private sector should be facilitated through appropriate government policy interventions and necessary safeguard mechanisms to protect the interest of the farmers. In my view, it is high time we shift from the livelihood approach to farming to competitiveness or business approach to farming. That means agriculture should be run as a business, not as a livelihood program like what is happening today. So a prerequisite for such a transformation is a change in the organizational structure of farming, which can be made possible only with active participation from the private sector.